Today we're going to talk about shapes. In art, there are two different types of shapes. The first being geometric shapes. Kind of a tricky word. Geometric shapes. The other type of shape in art are called organic shapes. Now, as you can see, they look very different. We will talk about organic shapes more next class. This week, we're going to focus on geometric shapes. If you look at the two, you can tell that these are the ones you know. They have a name. This one you know is called a triangle, a rectangle. And also what makes these geometric shapes geometric, other than a circle really, they have straight lines that you could trace with your finger, nice and straight. We are going to kind of have some inspiration from an artist, Wayne Thiebaud, and I'll show you his work now. He does a lot of work with desserts and candy, and he uses a lot of geometric shapes in his work. And we are also going to do something just like this piece called Three Machines by Wayne Thiebaud, and we are going to make a gumball machine of our own, like this, using just geometric shapes. All right, here we go. So the first thing you want to do is take out your art folder and open it up, and on the inside we want to go in the paper for project side and find the piece of white paper that has a large circle already on it. I see it here. Nice and big. Take that one piece of paper out. That is all we need today. Leave the rest inside. Close your folder and put it somewhere safe. Alrighty, so we are going to turn just this circle, I started us out, into an entire gumball machine. Now you're going to follow along with me, so get a pencil ready. And we are going to start at the top. At the top of our gumball machine, you're going to draw the part that they would unscrew and fill with gumballs. It is a nice, long rectangle. So watch me first, and then you go ahead. Right at the top, I'm going to draw a nice long rectangle. It has shorter sides and a long top and bottom. Go ahead, you can draw yours. Next, I want to go ahead and draw at the bottom the machine part of the gumball machine. It is a nice big square. So below the big circle that we have here at the bottom, right when it ends, right here, I want to start drawing a square. Straight at the top. And a square has equal, meaning the same sides, meaning this is the same as this. And this looks the same. And right across the bottom, a nice square. The same on all sides. And I can erase this little piece. Now that we've done our square, we are going to draw a triangle inside the square. So inside my square, not outside, I'm going to start in the corner and go up to the top. Sometimes I give myself dots to connect. It's very helpful. And back down to the other corner to make my triangle. Up to the top, down to the bottom, and connect them. There we go. The last shape, again, inside your triangle. This is going to be the part that the gumball comes out of. You're going to draw a nice circle so a gumball could come out and land here for you to take. Great, we have the machine all drawn. Now the fun part, the gumballs inside. You could fill your entire gumball machine with different gumballs, or we could just do a few. I'm just going to go ahead and start to draw a few gumballs to show you, and then I can show you my example, my project after. So if you want to go ahead and start adding in some gumballs, they can sit on top of each other, fill as many as you would like, nice circles inside the gumball machine. Okay. I'll check in with you and make sure you have enough time to draw, and then we'll come back and do some coloring. Okay, I have my final project here and what we started drawing together. Now, I am going to use 3 colors to draw in or color in the gumball machine. We're not going to talk about the gumballs just yet. Now, the 3 colors I'd like you to use, they're very important colors in art. We'll talk a lot about these colors as we go on, but for now I'll just introduce you to them. The first one is red. So go ahead and find either a crayon or marker that is red. The second color we are going to use today is yellow. And the third color is blue. So you are going to need a red, yellow, and blue crayons or markers to color in the gumball machine. Now, these 3 colors, we'll talk about why they're so important later, but they are called your primary colors. They are the first set of colors we are going to learn about, your primary colors. Here's what I'd like you to do. You can copy in mine. I have the top is blue. The bottom of your gumball machine is red. They're usually red. And then the triangle inside is yellow. So go ahead and take some time, and I'll pause my video and give you time to color those things in. And if you like to see here, you may notice I usually trace what I'm coloring in first, like this. I trace, meaning outline, or go on top of the pencil. Trace it first, the part that I'm coloring, so that way I can stay inside of my own lines that I make here. And now I can color right inside the part that I've traced for myself. Do your best coloring, take your time. All right, I'm going to keep going and color the inside yellow, and then we'll stop there. We'll later do the gumballs and the gumball that's come on out of the machine for us. Okay, we are all done using our primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. We can put those away. And now I want you to find 3 more colors. Orange, green, and purple. Again, they could be marker or crayon. Orange, green, and purple are called your secondary colors. They're the second set of colors that we will learn about in art. Again, we'll talk more about them later, but for now, just introducing you to your secondary colors. Now, these are the colors you're going to use to fill in your gumballs. There's no wrong way, just go ahead and color in the gumballs that you drew. And also, which one do you want? What flavor came out? Here I did the grape one. Maybe this one is orange. And the orange gumball came out. Go ahead and color in all of your gumballs. Once you finish coloring them all in, you should have a work of art that looks something like this, inspired by Wayne Thiebaud, and I can't wait to see your artwork. See you next week.